on this technique. It's from quarter guard, but I usually start setting this up as soon as I know they're starting to get the pass. He's starting to slide his knee through. I like to grab the belt, reach under the leg, and feed it to my hand. Make a nice tight grip. And this knee right here comes underneath and hooks their foot. This should really lock the guy in. If they stay on their knees, all I'm gonna do right here is I can either make a grip or I can cup. And I wanna use my knee to give a little bump. Once this happens, from the same bump, I kick my leg and I sit up with the foot in between my legs. Once we're here, it should be easy to either reach across to this leg and drive and start to work our pass. So we feed the belt, make a tight grip, we give a bump. Once that happens, I kick down and sit up, get up to my knees. Okay, there's a few things we can do here. Like I said, we can grab the knee and drive our body across, or we can just skip all that, bring our hook in, go to our seat belt, hold them off to the side. Depends how tight they get once I get up. Okay, so we feed, use our knee to give them a push, kick, sit up, keep this trapped. Right, I can reach across, pull that leg in and drive into their hip with my shoulder, keeping pressure on the shoulder. We walk around.